Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's try to learn a Python program. Write a Python program to find all the prime numbers from 2 to 100. So given the range that is from 2 to 100, so you have to find the prime numbers between 2 to 100. So prime number is a number that is divisible by itself or by 1. So that is the definition of prime number. So let's take example of 2. 2 is completely divisible by 1 and 2 itself, and also you can take the 3, that is 3 is completely divisible by 1 and 3. So similar way we have to find the prime numbers that are completely divisible by only 1 and the number itself. So so let's try to solve this program. So I have to take an empty list. So let me take a empty list. Prime list equals to empty. So we have to fill this prime list with the list of prime numbers between 2 to 100. So now I have to traverse the or iterate from 2 to 100. So let me use the for loop. For that is a number. So this is a temporary variable. I will take in range of 2 to 100 plus 1 because I have to use 100 as well. So once we get the numbers that is from 2 to 100, so I'll take another for loop in order to iterate from 2 to n divided by 2. So let's take another for loop to iterate from 2 to, that is n by 2, that is number divided by 2. So for that I'll take index in range of 2 to, that is I will convert this to integer, and number divided by 2, and I will add plus 1. So this will give me the, that is I will traverse from 2 to the number by 2, that is a range, and I will try to divide the number by the index. Check if the number is completely divisible by index. If this is true, then break the for loop. So if the number is completely divisible by the index, that is the that is a number between 2 to the number divided by 2, so you have to just break the index. Else what you have to do is add the, that is number to the prime list. So I will generally be taking the else part over here. So this is the for loop end until unless the for loop ends. So we have to keep checking if the number is completely divisible. Else if the number is not completely divisible, so you have to add this, that is a prime list dot append, that is a you have to add the number to the prime underscore list. So this is a method to generate all the prime numbers from 2 to 100. So now I have to print the numbers, that is a prime list. So once the for loop completes, the list of prime numbers will be stored in prime list. So so let's use a print statement over here, and let me copy the same, that is prime numbers from 2 to 100 are, let's give dot dot dot, and now I have to iterate all the items present in prime list and print it. For item in prime underscore list, what you have to do is just print the item. So this is a complete program to find all the prime numbers from 2 to 100. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So you can see the prime numbers are getting printed. So you can see 2 is printed, 3 is printed, 5, 7, 11, etc. up to the 97, and 98, 99 and 100 are not printed because those are not a prime numbers. So you can see over here, this is a list of prime numbers from 2 to 100. So this is a complete program to print all the prime numbers from 2 to 100. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.